Thinking of relocating from Houston but dreading the hassle of selling your home? Trust me, I get it. Selling can feel overwhelming, but let me break down how you can sell like a pro and move on with zero regrets. First things first, price it right. Houston's market moves fast, and the wrong price can mean your home sits or sells for less than it should. Get a local agent or use online tools to see what similar homes are getting, and don't just trust your gut. Next, make your home shine. You don't need to spend a fortune, just declutter, deep clean, and maybe slap on a fresh coat of paint. Kitchens, bathrooms, and curb appeal are your secret weapons. Buyers want to picture themselves living there, not fixing it up. Now, about those showings, yes, they're a pain, but the more flexible you are, the faster you'll sell. Stash personal stuff, keep things tidy, and be ready for last-minute visits. You never know when the perfect buyer will walk through your door. Don't forget the paperwork. Disclosures, inspections, negotiations, there's a lot behind the scenes. Having a pro on your side makes this 1,000 times easier, so partner with someone who knows Houston inside and out. And finally, timing. If you're relocating, try to align your sale with your move. Consider a leaseback if you need extra time between closing and moving out. It's a lifesaver. So if you're ready to make the leap from Houston, remember, price smart, prep well, stay flexible, and team up with a local expert. Selling your home doesn't have to be stressful. It can actually be a fresh start. Ready to sell like a pro? Let's do this!